Hey guys, so welcome to this topic where we're going to talk about introduction to the forex market and financial markets as a whole. So if you're starting out, this is basically the first topic that you'll be listening to. And just starting off as we start the financial markets, there are various class of markets under the financial markets. Here at Financial Hub, we have specialized in one class, which is the forex market. The advantage of learning either of the markets is that the same lessons can be applied to any other class and still be profitable. Therefore, after completing our course, you will not only be limited to one market, but you'll have the basic framework to trade and invest in either class under the whole umbrella of the financial markets. So basically what we're saying here, if you learn this skill of trading the forex market, you'll be able to trade the cryptocurrency, stock market, and the other markets. So moving forward, financial markets. Before we jump into the forex market, you first need to know the many other different classes of markets under the financial market as a whole. They include the stock market, bond market, cryptocurrency market, currency market, which is basically forex or foreign exchange, commodities market, futures market, derivatives, and much more. So if you get deep into each of them, stock market, what is the stock market? The stock market is basically refers to the buying and selling of company shares that are traded publicly in different exchanges around the world. Such companies include Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Airbnb, among many others. There are so many companies which are publicly traded, not just in the US, but if you go to Europe, China, Japan, there are many different companies which are publicly traded. Examples of stock market exchanges. So exchanges are basically where we buy and sell these different stocks and shares. So an example of a stock market exchange is the New York Exchange, which basically is the NYE, and the Financial Times Stock Exchange, which we call the FTSE, found in England or UK. Cryptocurrency market. The cryptocurrency market is one in which we buy and sell digital currencies that exist electronically, most of which are decentralized. So this such examples include Bitcoin, Ethereum, better known as Ether, Ripple, better known as XRP, Dogecoin, among many others. So there are more than 2,000 coins at the moment around the world, cryptocurrencies. So depending on the one you get, there are many different currencies. So cryptocurrency is a new form of financial markets that was started by Bitcoin, which started in 2009, which was created by Satoshi Nakamoto. We'll talk about that later on. They are also bought and sold on exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, and Gemini. Commodities market. The commodities market is where you can buy and sell raw materials or primary products that are not yet manufactured, such as cocoa, sugar, and coffee. We further classify them into hard and soft commodities. So the soft commodities is what you're looking at cocoa, sugar, and coffee. The hard commodities are the ones which are mined, such as gold, silver, and oil. Sometimes we refer to gold and silver as precious metals, but you can also classify them under commodities. Chicago Mercantile Exchange and Chicago Board of Trade are one of the most active commodities exchanges in the world. So with that said, we can jump off into Forex. So what is Forex? This is the main thing we're going to be teaching you under our course. So we specialized in Forex. And if you get a basic understanding of this, you'll be able to understand the rest. So Forex, foreign exchange, commonly known as Forex or FX, is simply a market where individuals buy and sell currencies against one another. Okay. So for example, let's say you are traveling from America to the United Kingdom. You will need to convert your native currency, which is the US dollar, to the foreign currency, which is the Great British Pound or GBP, in order to facilitate smooth payments during your stay in the United Kingdom. So if you go to the UK, it will be much better off to use the pound in able to transact your transactions. So you'll have to exchange, okay? This process of exchanging money from one currency to another is known as foreign exchange. So next, what we're going to look at, trading FX online. However, unlike traveling where you need to exchange physical currency from one form to another, traders are able to do this process virtually using an online platform known as a broker from anywhere in the world or from anywhere around the world. This form of exchange is known as over-the-counter exchange, OTC. And the individuals who partake in this form of online exchange are known as Forex traders. So we've covered three things there. A broker, basically a broker is a person who allows us to trade in different Forex markets. So they give us that liquidity into the market. They basically hook the seller and the buyer together. So whenever you want to buy something, there's a seller on the other side and the broker is the one who facilitates this. And this process is known as over the counter because it's not a physical exchange that you're going to a Forex bureau where you exchange. So it's an over the counter exchange, and the people who do this are known as Forex traders or foreign exchange traders or FX traders. Whenever traders believe that a certain currency will gain price, they buy it in order to profit from its move higher. So whenever we feel the dollar is going to rise in price, we normally buy it and we expect the prices to rise. When it reaches our higher target, we sell, and that difference is where we make our profit. And whenever we believe a currency will depreciate in price, we do the opposite, which is sell and make profit as the market goes lower. So we'll get deeper into this. This is what we call short selling. So it's basically where we sell something we believe is going to depreciate in price, and that selling we profit from it. Okay, so a few facts about the FX market before we go deeper into how to trade the Forex market. So the Forex market is open 24 hours, 5 days a week. Okay, so every weekday the markets are open 24 hours, unlike the stock market, which is on average open 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. So this one is not 24 hours. This one is basically limited to only 8 hours every single day. But whenever we move into things like cryptocurrency is 24/7. So whenever you're trading cryptocurrencies, you can trade it any day of the week, be it weekend or the weekday, it's always open. Okay, on average, over 6 trillion is exchanged every day in the Forex market. So the Forex market is one of the most liquid markets in the financial markets because a lot of money or a lot of currencies is exchanged. This is because if you look at different things such as company acquisitions and mergers, people buying and selling stuff, this adds up to this exchange that is about 6 trillion every single day. Okay, that's around the world, so globally. The most traded currency is the US dollar, covering almost 80% of all Forex trades. So many people look for the US dollar. And why is that? It's because the US dollar is used as a reserve in most countries. Okay, so it's the reserve currency. Here in Kenya, we basically use the dollar as our reserve currency, and many other places. Some people are starting to transition to gold and all that. But basically for us, we use the US dollar as our reserve currency. A staggering 40% of all Forex transactions occur in the UK. Okay, so the UK is known to be the financial center of the world. So most of the Forex transactions occur there, with only 20% taking place in the US. That is why London is considered to be the financial hub of the world. So a lot of things happen in the UK, and I think even banking started with these people. Hello traders, you have just completed the basics of Forex trading. To advance your trading career, you need to learn advanced technical analysis, risk management, and the psychology of trading. So buy our legendary advanced course and develop these trading skills. As a legendary student, you will get one-on-one access to our mentors, a copy of our course book, over 30 hours of trading content, and you'll get funding of $1,200 to kickstart your trading career. So click the links below to begin.